Zarir Hussain is the chief managing editor of the News Live channel, which brought those pictures to national attention. Vani Tripathi Tikku is a senior leader of the BJP, and my first question is to Gaurav Gogoi, member of parliament of the Congress party. Mr. Gogoi, we have some pictures there of a young man about 20, 22 years old. Yesterday I asked you how would you feel if you were to face those bullets point blank. I didn't see any sensitivity on your part in the way that you replied. So my question to you is, Mr. Gogoi, this man, who, by the way, in those last moments of his, was being carried there by our reporter Arindam, did that man die of rubber bullets entering his stomach?
Arnab, to answer your question, we always do not want to have the loss of lives of civilians. But
no, did he die of a rubber bullet injury? Would today, a rubber bullet have killed him? Because your father, the chief minister,
I am saying today what
your
happened
father, the
is
chief minister, says we are firing with rubber bullets. Did he die of a rubber bullet injury?
I am sorry. I am here representing the member of parliament. As a member of parliament, I do not take questions on what my parentage is. If you want to address questions,
you're from the Congress party and your father is the Congress chief minister. I'm sorry you're upset about it. But anyway, my question is very simple. Did that young man die of a rubber bullet injury?
I'm not upset, Arnav.
Did he die of a rubber bullet injury? When the bullet entered his stomach,
it was
so
yesterday.
much so.
When I answered about rubber bullets,
did he die of a rubber bullet injury?
Let us not spread misinformation, Arnav.
What is misinformation? A man dies, did he die of a rubber bullet injury?
It was a combination. Because you are using my statement from yesterday to explain something which happened today. That is misinformation.
So today did he die of a rubber bullet injury? And by the way, Mr. Gogoi, do you have a TV somewhere close to you? Do you have a television set somewhere close to you? Can you switch on Times Now right now? Just reduce the volume.
I'm sorry, Arnab. I'm looking straight at your camera.
Okay, so I'll tell you. I'll describe the pictures.
I'm aware of what has happened.
I'm described some pictures to you.
I'm aware of what has happened yesterday. I have gone to the scene myself.
I'll describe some pictures to you, Mr. Gogoi.
I've met the protesters
Mr. Gogoi,
myself.
you're in Delhi.
I am still speaking to them over the
Mr.
phone.
Mr. Gogoi, you are in Delhi.
My channels of information are clear.
You are in Delhi. My reporter is in Golaghat. Okay, and the pictures I'm showing right now is of my reporter actually carrying a real bullet, a bullet which can kill, which in my view...
I have met the protesters myself. 2 days ago, I have met the protesters myself.
Is that a real bullet or a fake bullet?
3 nights ago, I have distributed relief.
Is that a fake bullet, a real bullet, a plastic bullet, a rubber bullet, or what bullet?
6 nights ago, I have met the refugee victims and helped them recover dead bodies from the Assam-Nagaland border.
Is that a real bullet?
Please do not question my commitment to the people of my
constituency. Mr. Gogoi, I don't want... You see, you have two approaches tonight. Either, Mr. Gogoi, your first approach is, I am honest, I am good, I am trying my best, I think I am right, I think all you are doing is misinformation, I think you are bad, media is bad, everybody is bad, and I think I am right, and let me therefore try and take a high moral ground on this. I am sorry, Mr. Gogoi, that line of argument false. That line of argument collapses, Mr. Gogoi, the moment.
I am only here to present facts.
Mr. Gogoi,
if you ask me factual questions, I will give you factual answers.
Mr. Gogoi,
please do not ask me hypothetical questions.
Now, Mr. Gogoi, I just want to tell you one thing. Just listen to me, okay? I'll tell you some few facts if you care to listen.
Sure.
Now, you have another option. If you want to be all, worked up and, I am so right and I will continue to speak over anybody who disagrees with me. That's a kind of approach which I don't like, Mr. Gogoi. And I think our viewers won't like it. I'd like to invite a few other panelists right now, including Zarir Hussain. Zarir, I find today at least
to address the concerns.
I find today, instead of any humility on this issue or instead of saying sorry, I find the same kind of act of defiance of Mr. Gaurav Gogoi. He did it yesterday.
Arnab, I have said that this incident is unfortunate. I have said that this incident is most unfortunate. Is that not a sign of regret?
Yeah.
Is that not a sign of that today we wish that people did not have to lose their lives?
That's so. I mean, it's so ridiculous, Mr. Gogoi. What you say, you can take that word and throw it into the dustbin. It means absolutely nothing.
Is that ridiculous?
It is.
My expressing sorrow at the loss of lives is ridiculous.
Mr. Gogoi, it is.
I'm sorry, there, Arnab.
Mr. Gogoi, Mr. Gogoi, it's 24 hours after the incident. And by the way, please keep quiet. 24 hours after the incident, yesterday you say, you know what, nobody died. So what's the big deal? Today you
will
say, aren't you
answer any
happy that I've
questions
said
posed to me.
today you say, aren't you happy that I'm coming on television and saying that I'm sorry? Yes, we're very grateful
Arnab,
to you, Mr.
please
Gogoi,
do not
that you've said
please
that.
conjecture me.
We-
Please do not take words out of my mind.
Well, this
you
is-
said that I have not
you
expressed
said
sorrow.
last
I
night-
said I have expressed sorrow.
Yeah, I'm
You
so
said
sorry.
I have
We're
not
also
expressed
touched that
sorrow.
you've expressed
I said
your
I have
sorrow.
expressed sorrow.
Well, yeah, I'm sorry.
I think there must be
First you ought to correct yourself. You ought to compliment the media.
That today what
you
has
ought
happened
to
is
you ought to
unfortunate.
compliment
You're
the
putting
media.
words
You
in my
not to,
mouth.
Mr. Gogoi. Calm down. You're in politics and public life. This is not some college
calm.
debate going on. So
I am calm, Arnab. I'm very
Zarir, I
calm.
think we should put some facts on the table for
Absolutely not.
Mr.
The
Gogoi
loss
out
of,
here. Mr.
people's
Gogoi,
lives. It's very
Mr. Gogoi, please hear the
serious.
other side. Please don't be
therefore
so
we should not
self-convinced.
misinterpret
Don't be so
what I've said
self-convinced.
that I'm-
Mr.
what has
Gogoi,
happened
as a
is
young
unfortunate.
politician, the
It
first
should not
rule
be
of thumb
said
for
that
you.
I am happy.
The first rule of thumb for you. First rule of thumb, in case nobody told you before. Those days when a politician would
Arnab,
say
as a young
24 hours,
politician,
somebody is giving you wrong
I
advice,
members
Mr.
of my
Gogoi.
constituency.
Somebody, go back to
I'm
that
here
person
to
who's giving you wrong advice and say to that person, you told me to go
Can
and
we-
say
can
sorry.
we stick to
I
the
thought I
issue
would
or
get
not?
away,
Can we
but
stick
I
to
don't
the
think
issue?
I will.
Can we stick to the issue?
Zarir Hussain,
Let's talk about
Zarir Hussain,
Mullah.
let's
talk about Uriya.
Zarir Hussain,
Let's talk
what
about
really is Mr. Gogoi in denial of? What is he in denial of?
Let's not get personal. Let's stick to
Mr.
the
Gogoi,
issue.
calm down, please. Mr. Gogoi, calm down. Yeah, please.
Arnab,
Zarir.
I'm calm. Arnab.
Arnab, all I can tell is that a sorry won't make a dead man alive. A sorry definitely won't make a dead man alive. Harsh, the reality bites.
Absolutely.
We know that, like, you know, the shooting the
Absolutely, but
shooting
we
the
are still
messenger
sorry.
has become a norm of the Assam government. Like, you know, shooting the messenger has become a norm for the Assam government, or for that matter, the chief minister. Here we have put out the visuals
Misinformation
yesterday,
for others.
since yesterday,
Zarir,
of
misinformation for
unarmed.
others. Selective visuals for others.
Mr. Gogoi, please.
That is the, let the visuals, that's the visuals, Mr. Gogoi, Mr. Gaurav Gogoi. That's the visual speaks for itself. We
50%
don't
of
have
the
to,
truth,
we don't
Zarir.
have to elaborate.
50% of the truth. The visuals don't show
50% of the
six Naga
truth
people
is that
being kidnapped.
100% of the
Visuals don't
truth,
show
100% of the truth is that 100% of the truth, 100% of the truth is that bullets have killed 2 people today.
Where are the visuals?
100%
Where are
of
the
the truth
visuals
is
of the
that
CRPF
rubber bullets
under
were not
whose
used.
jurisdiction
100%
people from Assam
of
are
the
being beaten
truth.
up? Where are the
100% of the
visuals
truth is
of
that
the economic
SLRs
blockade
and
where people cannot
AK-47s
go
were
to the
used
hospitals?
yesterday.
Where are those
100%
visuals?
of the
Zarir? Where are
truth.
those visuals?
I will
where are
come
the
up with
visuals
certain
of,
facts. Come on,
CRPF
let us
beating
Gaurav,
the people?
I think Arnab told you a
Where are the
thumb
visuals
rule.
of
You need to
people
Gaurav, one
thumb
second.
rule.
No, 1 second.
You need to
Zarir,
follow
Gaurav,
thumb
just
rule.
Gaurav, don't be so adamant here right now, national television. 1 minute, please, Zarir. 1 minute, Zarir.
Gaurav,
1 minute. I need to tell Mr.
Yes.
Gaurav Gogoi that since he does not know the facts, let him correct himself and say sorry also for saying where are the pictures of the CRPF. The pictures of the
Please,
CRPF
Arnab,
are shown.
let's
The
not
CRPF has been asked
let's
questions.
stick to the issue.
You want to do your
Let's
petty
be
politics, do it
substantive.
elsewhere,
Let's
Mr.
be
Gogoi.
substantive. Let's
Mr.
not be
Gogoi,
personal.
please, just 1 minute. And I have
Let's
one
not be
basic thumb
personal.
rule.
Let's be
When someone else
substantive.
is
Stick to the
speaking,
issue,
don't speak
Arnab.
over the person.
Let's stick to the
Mr.
issue.
Gogoi has come out and said yesterday that they were rubber bullets.
Let's stick
I
to the
asked
issue.
Mr. Gogoi one question. Since when do rubber bullets pierce the necks of the victims? Pierce the stomachs? The intestines of the people go out.
Which has
He
happened
wants to see
today.
those pictures. Gaurav, please keep quiet. Just hear me on
Which
this.
has happened today, Arnab.
No.
Yes, it has.
Gaurav.
Oh, please, Gaurav.
No, Gaurav,
now-
no,
accurate
Gaurav,
question.
no, Gaurav.
It's-
Let me tell you,
responsible questions on
in
today's-
Jorhat Civil
today's
Hospital,
debate. Let's ask
in
responsible questions.
Gaurav, in Jorhat Civil Hospital, 2 people were admitted with bullet wounds. I am sure Arnab must be having those visuals. 1 bullet
Today,
pierced through
Arnab.
the neck of the
Today, so
people
don't
from
use my comments
Numaligarh,
from
and
yesterday.
another. No.
And we are
no,
sorry for that.
No,
Sorry.
I'm very
We
sorry,
regret the
Gaurav.
loss of lives.
I am relying on facts. I am relying on facts, Gaurav. And let me correct one more thing, if you Arnab give me. I'll show you one document where the Chief Minister has gone on record blaming the center, saying that neutral forces, that is the CRPF, is not under his control or jurisdiction. I will read out, I will show you one document. This is the Office of the Additional Director General of Police, Border. This is an SOP,
The BJP
standard
Secretary
operating
Raman Dekha
procedure.
himself said that
So-
CRPF should not be in Assam. BJP's own people in the state of
I'm
Assam
not.
has said
Wait,
CRPF should
you
not
don't
be there.
divert, Gaurav.
BJP's own
Gaurav,
MP,
don't
member of
divert.
parliament,
Let
Shri
me.
Raman Dekha has
No,
himself told the press
please don't
that
direct.
CRPF should not be there.
Wait. Don't try to bank on
BJP's
your
own
BJP
Raman
colleagues.
Gaurav, 1 minute. Don't make it a
Let me
BJP
put
Congress
facts.
thing. Please
Let
stop
me
it.
put
No, 1 second.
facts.
First of all, Gaurav, please
Let
let
me
Zarir
put
complete.
facts.
Gaurav, let Zarir complete.
Facts.
Gaurav, we heard you when he was speaking. He didn't interrupt you. Let him
Let me
complete,
put
Gaurav.
facts clear.
Let him complete, Mr. Gogoi.
Why did the BJP person
Let him
say
complete, Mr. Gogoi. Let him complete. Now, don't be rude. Just
Let
don't be
me
rude. Let
put
him complete.
facts.
He heard you. He heard you, Gaurav Gogoi. He heard you.
The Chief Minister.
He heard
that?
you.
The state MP himself.
No,
has said.
no, this is terrible, Mr. Gogoi. When you were speaking, I don't think Zarir
is
was interrupting.
basic thumb
I think
rule.
basic courtesy is that you let him complete his point,
Please go
even
ahead,
if
Arnab. There's
even
a
if it
delay.
goes
There's a
against you,
delay. I'm
please.
sorry. There's just a
And
delay.
Zarir, please complete your point.
Yeah, the Chief Minister has gone on record couple of times, even today, accusing the centre of failure, saying that the neutral forces in the border, that is the CRPF, doesn't fall under the jurisdiction of the state government. I am quoting this SOP of the state police, which says, in all matters, the neutral force will function like any paramilitary force which is performing law and order duties under the state government. They will function under the concerned DC and SP of the district. Since the neutral force, that is CRPF, is deployed in Golaghat district at present, they will follow all legal orders of DC and SP Golaghat and DIG Eastern Region. So what I am saying to say is that either the Chief Minister is misleading or the Chief
It's
Minister
elementary
has been
stuff.
misled by
It's
some of-
elementary.
oh,
No, watch it.
elementary.
Zarir, it's elementary knowledge. It's elementary knowledge of administration. 1 minute. Mr. Gogoi, just a minute.
Absolutely.
It's elementary knowledge of administration which Mr. Gogoi may not know. Mr. Gogoi, a minute. Let me enlighten you. Let me enlighten you, Mr. Gogoi.
And Nagaland.
Let me enlighten you, Mr. Gogoi.
It's neither the jurisdiction
Oh,
of
Mr.
Assam government,
Gogoi,
it's
you
neither
know,
the
Mr.
jurisdiction of the Nagaland
Mr. Gogoi,
government,
well, let me
it's the
enlighten you.
jurisdiction
Let me
of
enlighten
the
you.
CRPF in the border
You're not
areas
even
where
listening.
10
You
people
don't
have
want to
lost their
know.
lives
You don't want
under
to
the
be
watch of
corrected.
CRPF.
You are showing your
Are we
ignorance
talking
on
about
television,
that?
Mr.
That
Gogoi,
is what has
please.
caused the protest. That
Mr.
10
Gogoi,
people lost their lives under CRPF watch. Are we talking about that?
1 minute. Now, Mr. Gogoi, just listen for a minute. Just don't speak for a minute. And Vani, I'm coming to you next. You know, there are some basic elementary knowledge right now of administration which may be useful to you. Section 129, Section 130 of the Criminal Procedure Code clearly say the responsibility of the police at a time that dispersal of an assembly is with the executive magistrate or the police officer. As far as we know, unless the Constitution of India or the law changed in the last 24 hours, both of these come under the government of Assam, which is led by Mr. Tarun Gogoi.
And the Supreme
Just a
Court
point
has
here,
said
and Vani
that in the
Tripathi wants to
border
come into
areas
the
of
debate.
Assam, Nagaland and in four
Vani
districts,
Tripathi, first,
there are areas
Vani
A, B, C and D.
Vani Tripathi, you
An
heard the
incident of
Congress
what happened in Area
representative,
D
Gaurav
last
Gogoi.
week, under the watch of CRPF, 10 people have lost their lives and 10,000 people have become refugees. That is also the law, Mr.
You
Arnab.
keep doing this blame game somewhere else. Not only are you responsible for the on-ground lawlessness, you are guilty of attempting to
I'm quoting
trivialize
facts, Arnab.
You are guilty of attempting to
We're
trivialize
not
the
looking
on-ground
for blame,
situation in
Arnab.
Assam
We're looking
because
for
your chief minister
responsible
holds a
leaders
press
and
conference
responsible
and then he
leadership
blames the media
to
and then he
come up
turns
with a
around and he
solution.
says,
We're not interested
and you
in
know what he
blaming.
says?
We're looking for
You know what the chief minister
responsibility.
says?
We're looking for
The chief minister
responsibility. We're not
says,
looking to blame.
the chief minister of
We
Assam
want
says,
to be responsible and
1 minute,
find a
the chief
long-term,
minister of
mutually
Assam
beneficial
says
solution.
police atrocities may have taken place, but that's a different issue. Police atrocities may have taken place, but that's a different issue. I am proud of the Assam
Say
police.
that there will be a judicial inquiry.
Really? When people die, when they're shot,
one officer has already been suspended.
Vani Tripathi.
One officer has already been suspended. There will be a judicial inquiry. We have nothing to hide. But will CRPF order an inquiry under whose watch?
Gaurav, please listen to Vani Tripathi now.
Sure.
Mr. Gogoi has come to it's a premeditated lecture which he's blurting out on national television today. It's not just defiance, it's also denial on the part of the Assam government. And you know what, Arnab? Today on your debate, I am reminded of Uttar Pradesh. Arnab, Mr. Gogoi can
Please
go on
substantive,
talking.
ma'am,
It's
and please don't
fine.
bring
The whole
Uttar
country
Pradesh.
is listening to
Please
his
talk about Assam,
voice
what's
and his
happening in
rant
Assam.
right
Don't
now.
ignore
But
Northeast,
Arnab,
ma'am.
you know
Don't
what?
ignore the
I'm
Northeast.
reminded.
Please
I'm
come and visit
reminded.
our borders.
I'm
Please come and
reminded.
visit our
I'm
relief camps.
reminded, Arnab.
Please be substantive,
I
ma'am.
am
Talk about the facts
reminded
in
of.
Assam.
I'm reminded of. Arnab, he has come to give a monologue on your debate. He is absolutely not going to listen to any of us, but yet
I hope he
I'm
does.
going to say something with a lot of sadness in my heart. I'm reminded of Uttar Pradesh and Akhilesh Yadav today when I heard Tarun Gogoi on your program.
Gaurav Gogoi.
It is the denial. It is the defiance.
Ma'am, please,
it
can
is
we talk about
it is the
Assam?
way the media has been attacked in Uttar Pradesh. Similarly, Assam is going through the same path, which is sad. Also, on the 20th of August, as we talk about this incident, Arnab, on the 16th of August, the state government
Why is
asked
the
the
BJP running away
centre
from its
and the Home
responsibility of
Ministry for
protecting civilians
deployment
in
of
Assam?
10 companies of CRPF. Why did they do that?